And I agree, no situation is permanent. Let nobody condemn you into being an unstarter because you are starting from down. Just define what you want to do and do it right. On that note, I agree, no condition is permanent. No, for a long time, our friends in the media were used to criticizing us and nobody used to question them. Now things have changed because no situation is permanent. Along the way, they have criticized the political class for so many years, and we took the criticism in stride, and we agreed that they hold us to account. They criticize us, but things have changed also. Now we are also saying somebody needs to hold the media to account for the things that they write. So welcome to the world of Moses Kuria. Welcome. Because no situation is permanent. And I'm so happy the way the media has reacted to criticism. It's good you are feeling the way we feel. You have been hitting us left, right, and center. Nobody has ever held you to account. Now, Moses Kuria ameuliza nyinyi maswali tatu tu. You are all over, you are crying. You have seen nothing. We want to ask leaders in this country to join Moses Kuria to hold the press to account. They must be accountable for what they write and what they say. And if they write lies, they must be countered with facts. There is nobody who is immune to accountability. Everybody must be accountable for your actions. And the same way, the courts have been persuaded to gag Moses Kuria from holding the press to account. I want the same courts, when leaders go to court and ask them to restrain the media from criticizing leaders, the same courts must give same orders so that we are fair. We must have equity and fairness. What is good for Nation newspaper must be good for Moses Kuria. This is a new world. So watu ya media karibuni kwa hii Kenya mpya. Tutazoeana pole pole. Mnatugonga hapa kidogo, tunagonga nyinyi saa 8. Sasa nyinyi Kuria amegonga nyinyi kidogo, sasa na nyinyi mtugonge kesho, na sisi tugonge nyinyi kesho kutwa, siku zinaenda. And we get to learn to stay with each other. But you must now be accustomed to that new way of doing things. You have been having a few days for too long. You must take responsibility for what you write. You must be accountable for what you say. And that is the new Kenya, and is a good Kenya. So mimi nikimalizia niseme asanteni sana. For those of you who went to the ballot and voted for President William Ruto and I want to say thank you.